Hey guys, in this video, we are going to review the best budget drone on Aliexpress. Now, before you decide to buy this drone, you will want to know a few things. The drone market is growing very fast, but there are many consumer drones on the market that are not very good. And, you will also want to know that it's a good idea to get a drone that can fly in windy conditions. All the links of the drones are in the description, below the video. Subscribe to my channel, and click on the bell, to stay up to date with the latest technology reviews. So let's get started. In at number 5, the best drone is SJRC F11 Pro 4K drone. SJRC F11 Pro 4K drone. It is quite affordable and comes with almost every feature that a good quality camera drone would have. This has a foldable and portable design. It looks fairly premium quality drone. It includes an extra battery and extra pair of blades. Each battery has a flight time of 30 minutes. Total flight time will be 60 minutes because of the extra battery given. It has brushless motors, thus does not make noise when taking off. Durable alloy brushless motors provide a powerful flight with level 7 wind resistance, speed up to 12 meters per second. This drone has a double GPS system, one in the drone and the other in the controller. The ability of pressure altitude hold and keeps drone move accurately. Both of them combined together for generating stable images as a final product. It comes with a fine quality case, that is usually seen in premium quality brands. This product is missing some of the features like a gimbal. Gimbal supports the camera to take stable footage and do not let it vibrate during the time of flight. The feature of shock absorption technology, for more stable shooting, is added, which reduces blurring and ensures video quality. It has a 4K camera that can catch much more details. It supports 5 GHz FPV transmission up to 25 fps, which brings a stable and smooth video and a wide range of 16-14 feet. Maximum height is 393 feet or 120 meters and 1200 meter of maximum control range. Some intelligent flight modes include the point of interest, follow me, waypoint flight, and tap fly. It includes the accessories like 2 batteries of 2500 mAh, a carrying case, a transmitter, a user manual, a USB battery cord, a screwdriver, and 4 extra propeller blades. This is perfect for those who want high-quality photos and videos, good transmission distance, enjoyable flight time, and strong wind resistance on a fair budget. In at number 4, the best drone is Graycewody iCamera 1 4K GPS drone. The optimized Full HD camera built with a shock absorption holder ensures shooting high-resolution images and videos without camera vibration. 5G Wi-Fi high-speed image transmission 3000 meters without delay. 5 GHz FPV transmission and 90 degrees adjustable lens enable you to see the world from a different angle. Never lose the drone. It returns automatically whenever the battery is low, the signal is lost, or you press one key return. Also, it is so smart to fly at your will, following you automatically, flying along a path you set, or fly around a point in circles. You may focus on your photography and creation. Brushless motors run more powerful with much less noise compared to brushed motors, which can enable stable and fast drone flights. Besides, they have a longer lifetime and spare you from motor maintenance. The intelligent battery works for 30 minutes for each charge. The foldable design and well-fitted carrying case make it easy to take the drone outdoor. Don't use batteries from other brands, which may cause product issues or safety concerns. With an air optical flow and air pressure altitude control system, the drone can hover stably both indoor and outdoor. GPS location and auto return to home free of losing the drone. The intelligent flight modes enable the drone to fly automatically and free your hands and minds to do video or picture creation, including follow me, tap fly, and point of interest. In at number 3, the best drone is Laumox Faith 2 4K GPS drone. The new Faith 2 comes with a razor-sharp 4K, 30 fps camera with Ambarella A 12.1 CMOS Sony sensor that shoots crystal-clear videos in 20 megapixel. This is revolutionary for a drone in this price range, as one usually has to go up in larger and more expensive drone classes to get similar specifications. The Faith 2 is equipped with brushless motors, which makes the drone more efficient than similar drones in the same price range that usually come with brushed motors. Brushless motors are typically 85 to 90% efficient, while brushed DC motors are about 75 to 80% efficient. This difference in efficiency means that more of the total power used by the engine is converted into rotational power and less is lost as heat. Faith 2 comes with GPS and GLONASS positioning, which makes the drone's flight skills very accurate and ensures a smooth and stable flight. The Faith 2 comes with a powerful 11.4-volt, 3100 mAh LiPo 3S battery. It gives the drone lots of strength and power and a long flight time of up to 35 minutes. I always recommend extra batteries. So, you have plenty of flying time to get the right shots in the box. Faith 2 comes with one of the industry's longest ranges of up to 5 kilometers, which ensures that you can take your video and photo adventures out on brand new discoveries. In addition, to follow me, the drone will among other things. Also with other features such as waypoints, which means you can draw a predetermined route. The drone should automatically fly and film completely automatically. Faith 2 is equipped with a 3-axis stabilized mechanical gimbal, which ensures stable videos and still images. In at second place, the best drone is FiMi X8 GPS drone. The new compact FiMi X8 Explorer drone is compact and portable. It has advanced features for a small drone. It features a GPS positioning system for GPS position hold, return to home functionality and other smart flight modes. It integrates a 1080-pixel HD camera, which transmits real-time HD videos and photos directly to a smartphone via the app. The X8 camera drone takes power and portability to the next level. It combines a powerful camera with intelligent shooting modes for stunning results. Push your imagination to its limits, because aerial photography has never been this easy. This drone captures impressive 12-megapixel photos with a 1 or 2.6 inches Sony CMOS sensor, while the 3-axis mechanical gimbal provides 4K 30 FPS video. The secret to incredible HDR video is a high-performance image sensor. Video transmission distance of up to 8 kilometers and can also deliver 1080-pixel HD resolution live stream directly from the camera of the drone. It has an impressive flight time of up to 35 minutes, allows you to pull off epic, fast-paced shots. 3x digital zoom camera, obstacle sensing in 3 directions makes it extra convenient for beginners and improves safety for your FiMi X8. It has smart tracking mode. With the powerful visual tracking system, the drone can precisely lock the target with more powerful flight planning shooting. It has GPS optical flow mode switching system. Indoor flight automatically recognizes optical flow mode, outdoor light automatically switches GPS, optical flow dual mode. And at number 1, the best drone is DJI Mini 2, 4K GPS drone. It weighs less than 249 grams, which is about as much as an apple. It is also so convenient and compact that it fits in the palm of your hand. Because of these qualities, this small drone should be your ideal companion. You can capture your favorite memories with it. This drone is equipped with 3-axis gimbal with a 4K camera. It is provided with a 12-megapixel camera which delivers content that will be guaranteed to impress. You will be also able to enjoy 4K at 30 FPS video and a 3-axis motorized gimbal. DJI Mini 2 ensures stunning image quality that is consistently smooth no matter how adventurous the pilot gets. DJI Mini 2 supports up to 10 kilometers of high-definition videos transmission. It is also provided with excellent anti-interference capabilities. It will also give you the ability to fly farther and see clearer. It is provided with OcuSync 2.0. You will get a max battery life of 31 minutes. It will provide you enough time to compose the perfect shot. DJI Mini 2 can resist level 5 winds and it can also take off at a max altitude of 4,000 meters. So, your footage will be stable even when it will fly along a windy coastline or high above an alpine forest. It won't need to get close for your dream shot. You will get 4x digital zoom which will make it safer and more convenient when transitioning between shots of varying distance and composition. You will be able to automatically record and shoot professional-level videos to share directly on social media with just a few taps. There is an app called DJI Fly which will help you produce immersive results completely with the soundtracks and filters. This app will benefit you whether you are a beginner or a more experienced flyer. The DJI will require iOS version 10.0, Android version 6.0, or above. So it will be compatible with lots of phones out there. I hope you enjoy this video. Please like, comment, and share this video.